Hello, students. Today we are going to discuss some important questions from the chapter The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck.
Today, let's have understanding for some questions that require analytical ability and critical thinking. The questions are based on the theme, characters, and incidents. So, let's move on. First question: why had Hannah to wash the wounded man herself? Or why did Hannah have to wash the wounded man herself? These are the important value points that these must be included in the answer to make the answer convincing one. Yumi, the maidservant of Hannah, she just squarely and bluntly refused to do so, to wash the man, and while refusing she showed her stubbornness for this task, and the reason behind her reluctance to wash this man was that this was a white man, and moreover this white man was American Japan's enemy. Next question: how does the writer indicate that Dr. Sadao's father was a very traditional and conventional man? We see at different places in the beginning of the story, and then in the middle of the story we see that we learn about Dr. Sadao's father, although this character doesn't appear directly in the story. Initially, when Sadao was in America, he went there to carry on his further studies. He had met Hannah there, so he fell in love. He wanted to fall in love with her, but Sadao did not fall in love with Hannah before confirming that she was Japanese, and as he knew that his father will not accept a girl who wasn't a Japanese one, and moreover the girl should be of pure Japanese race, and that was his father's viewpoint, otherwise he won't accept. Sadao did not marry without his father's consent, because he knew that he was a traditional and conventional man. And later on in the middle part of the story we saw that when the American person was brought and for operation, they brought that man to Sadao's room. So we get brief description about Sadao's father's bedroom. His father's bedroom, there everything was Japanese as per his taste. The upholstery and different other things, the furniture and several other things indicated his inclination towards Japanese culture. He never sat on a chair, or he never followed the Western lifestyle, as he never sat on a chair or slept in a foreign bed. Move on to next question. What forced Sadao to be impatient and irritated with his patient? Just after starting the procedure of operation, at one place we see Sadao becomes he loses his patience and he becomes irritated towards this man. What was the reason? The very first, the patient was an American prisoner of war, but still he was compelled by his duty as a doctor and moreover as a human being to tend to the problems of that person. And so as this patient was American prisoner of war, so harboring or sheltering an army could be disastrous for him, for his family's safety, peace and security. Similarly, the servants, they all protested and they were not pleased with Sadao's actions. So he made all the servants displeased, and Hannah felt during the operation, Hannah felt nauseated to see a lot of blood scene, as she had never seen any operation. And he was further very much upset and he got irritated as he could not go out to help Hannah, to be at her side. And so in this way, on one hand it was Hannah's distress, and on the other hand his own inability to go and just comfort her made him a little impatient and irritated momentarily. So this made him vexed or angry. What message does the enemy convey? What is the moral or message or lessons that we learn through this story? The very first, the top of all, is humanism. We learn this lesson that the very first duty we all have is to attend our duties towards other human being, and this has been represented through the characters of Dr. Sadao and Hannah as well. So we learn that man-made prejudices and physical barriers are to be replaced by ethical values and human values. Similarly, devotion to one's professional ethics and ethos must be there. And Dr. Sadao completely fulfills all these duties of being a good doctor. So he follows all medical ethics and ethos, as although the man was an American prisoner of war, Japan's enemy, but being a doctor, it was his duty to treat a patient to save the life of a person in a dying condition, and he did so. Finally, above all, we learn that peace, love, and sympathy, fellow feeling, these are the values that should be given importance rather than other values like selfishness and narrow prejudices like narrow nationalism or narrow racism, etc. So peace, we should just try to restore peace, love, sympathy and fellow feeling in the society. Why do you think does Dr. Sadao think of the American prejudice against the Japanese in general at this time when the American has escaped? So almost at the end of the story, we see when Sadao was sure that the American prisoner had left the island. So all of a sudden he starts thinking about how generally American people are prejudiced against the Japanese people, and they have a kind of discriminating attitude or superiority complex towards the Japanese people. So why this thought comes at this moment? So first of all, we must mention that what were Sadao's views about Americans, that Americans were prejudiced against the Japanese, and Dr. Sadao, they could not tolerate the Americans. According to Dr. Sadao, Americans could not, and according to his own experience, the American people could not tolerate other Asian people like Japanese or other people of the other countries flourish and excel in different field or be superior. This made them prejudiced and feel complexed against them. And because of this attitude and this tendency of the Americans, Sadao and other students, how they faced a lot of difficulty, and Sadao especially when he was searching for a place, he had faced a lot of difficulty, and he felt that Americans are very much repulsive, means hateful. He never developed a liking for the Americans. He especially remembers the slatternly landlady who was equally repulsive, and finally she agrees to give him a room. And moreover, although he always felt repulsive towards her, but at one moment he feels a sense of gratitude towards her, as when he was sick, it was this landlady who took care of him. So these all thoughts come. Why? Because when he had so much hatred for the Americans, and he considered when Americans were his nation's enemies, so definitely his enemies too. So then why he could not kill that prisoner of war? Why did he try to save his life? Why did he help him escape? So he wonders. Now, what was the dilemma for Dr. Sadao and Hannah when they came across the injured American? This is related to almost the initial part of the story. Now, what was the difficulty? Dilemma is a point when we are unable to take a decision. So, what were those reasons? The very first, that for sheltering a white man, it was the risk that to shelter a white man there could be chances of being arrested, they could be considered traitors, and on the other hand, if they would turn this man to the police as a prisoner of war, the person would certainly get sentenced and he will die. So they were not at all able to take a decision what should they do, whether they should be ready to accept that to take the risk of being arrested or being considered as traitors after treating this man, or they should hand him over to the police and allow the man die. So this was the dilemma. And what were the other factors that made them unable to take a quick decision? This American was in critical condition, means at any cost they could not leave the man there only at this Japanese coast in the dying condition. Neither they could just hand him over to the police, because the man was in critical condition and the situation was very urgent and it was an emergency and urgent treatment was required. And above all, this man was their nation's enemy. So these were the points, were the factors of their dilemma. Now, why was the general not in favor of Sadao's arrest? When Dr. Sadao decided to inform the general about the entire episode, that how they came across an injured American prisoner of war and how they brought him home to give him treatment with an intention that as soon as the man would get recovered, they would hand him over to the police. So, what was the reaction of the general? The general just promised Sadao that he would allow nothing to happen to him. So why? Why did he do this favor? And why did he promise him that he won't get arrested? Now, Sadao was highly skilled surgeon, and he was highly skilled surgeon and scientist as well. So he was so much talented that he could save anyone's life. The American prisoner's case was a recent example in front of the general, that how he was almost in the dying condition, and with his expertise, Dr. Sadao saved him finally. And the general himself was in ailing condition. He was undergoing treatment for his cardiac issues. Recently he had attacks. So Sadao, in this way, Dr. Sadao was very much indispensable, very much necessary to his own life. And as Sadao tells him that the general could not tolerate more than one more attack. So the general was not in a position to take a risk by making complaint against Dr. Sadao or by giving order for Sadao's arrest. So Sadao was the only person he knew whom he trusted, and there was no other surgeon in Japan who could save his life. So these were the reasons. Sadao had his reward elicited. When does this context or reference of reward come in the story? When Sadao, after helping the man escape, Sadao meets the general and he informs the general that the man or the American prisoner of war escaped. So at that point, the general remembers that he had made a kind of promise to Sadao that he would send assassins to kill the man, but he admits that he forgot that matter. So carelessness of the general is highlighted. So he was worried whether this carelessness will be exposed in the public. So he just tries to win the favor of Sadao by promising him that he would be rewarded for his devotion and his loyalty towards his nation. So, but although Sadao was not rewarded by the general, so far but before any such kind of reward, he gets rewarded by nature or by his destiny. How? General's wish was that Sadau's loyalty to be rewarded, and General showed dereliction of duty. We all know that he just showed negligence of duties. How could he forget the promises or the plans that he made? General was forgetful, and Sadao, although the general could not reward him, Sadao was rewarded in a different manner. The American person escaped safely, and so he was successful in all ways. The man, there was no danger to the American man, and his family, his reputation, everything was safe. Now, what impression do you form of Dr. Sadao? A very important question. This could be asked for short answer and long answer as well. Short answer question is to be answered in 30 to 40 words, and long answer in 120 to 150 words. So these are the qualities, these are the traits of the character of Dr. Sadao that must be well explained with the help of instances and incidents from the story. Skilled surgeon and famous scientist, devoted to his profession, gifted with professional ethics and ethos. He was a compassionate human being. He was a patriot, a loyal citizen as well. Now, how will we justify this point as far as his patriotism was concerned? The dilemma in the initial stage when he comes across the body of this American man, this also brings out, and he was a loyal citizen as he informs the general. So caring husband and father, to these points are to be elaborated. Then what impression do you form of Hannah? Adorable wife with understanding. We are having several examples to support this. Perfect homemaker. Even after several years of their marriage, both of them were happy. This brings out that she was an adorable wife with understanding and perfect homemaker. Then she was a dignified master. Her attitude, her behavior towards her servants in all different ways prove that she was a dignified master, and she was kind and considerate. This example of her behavior towards the American person, her servants, and concerned for her family. She was all the time frightened that what would happen. She would always ask what was he going to do with the man. She was a fear of being arrested. Just this was the reason that she was concerned for her family. She was generous and benevolent. Her whatever behavior is done by her towards the servants and toward the American person bring out that she was generous and benevolent. Humane. She was endowed with all human qualities. So with this we come to the end. Thank you.